Looking to VDM versus Bobrisky prison saga. First, let's look at the Nigerian prison system, officially known as the Nigerian Correctional Service, NCS, has faced various challenges and criticisms over the years. Here's an overview. History. The Nigerian prison system dates back to the colonial era, with the first prison established in 1872. Challenges. 1. Overcrowding. Nigerian prisons are severely congested, with a capacity for approximately 50,000 inmates, but currently housing over 70,000. 2. Poor living conditions. Inadequate food, water, sanitation, and health care lead to the spread of diseases. 3. Corruption. Bribery and extortion are common practices among prison officials. 4. Lack of rehabilitation programs. Inadequate education, vocational training, and counseling hinder inmates' rehabilitation. Delayed trials. Many inmates are held for years without trial, contributing to overcrowding. Notable prisons. 1. Kirikiri Maximum Security Prison, Lagos, known for housing high-profile inmates. 2. Kuje Correctional Center, Abuja, has held prominent politicians and influencers. 3. Panti Prison, Lagos, notorious for harsh conditions. Reforms. The Nigerian government has introduced reforms, including 1. The Nigerian Correctional Service Act, 2019, aimed at improving living conditions and rehabilitation programs. 2. Decongestion initiatives, efforts to release awaiting trial inmates and reduce overcrowding. 3. Partnership with NGOs, collaborations to provide education, healthcare, and vocational training. Despite these efforts, the Nigerian prison system remains plagued by systemic issues. Bobrisky and VDM with prison time and conditions in Nigeria. In Nigeria, house arrest or alternative sentencing is not commonly practiced, but there are exceptions and provisions for specific circumstances. Legal framework. 1. The Administration of Criminal Justice Act, ACJA, 2015, allows courts to impose community service or non-custodial sentences for minor offenses. 2. The Nigerian Correctional Service Act, 2019, enables the chief judge to approve non-custodial sentences. Eligibility. Typically, those eligible for house arrest or alternative sentencing in Nigeria are 1. First-time offenders. 2. Minor offenses, e.g. theft, vandalism. 3. Health-related cases, e.g. elderly, terminally ill. 4. Pregnant women or nursing mothers. 5. High-profile individuals or influential persons, discretionary. Process. To secure house arrest or alternative sentencing. 1. Defense counsel files a motion for non-custodial sentence. 2. Prosecution may object or agree. 3. Judge considers factors, e.g., offense severity, defendant's character. 4. If approved, terms and conditions are set, e.g., electronic monitoring, curfew. Examples. 1. In 2020, a Lagos High Court granted house arrest to a former governor convicted of corruption due to health concerns. 2. In 2018, a federal high court ordered house arrest for a prominent businessman accused of financial crimes. Influential factors. 1. Social status and connections. 2. Health conditions. 3. Political influence. 4. Lawyers' negotiation skills. 5. Judges' discretion. Challenges and controversies. 1. Inequality. Wealthy or influential individuals may receive preferential treatment. 2. Corruption. Bribery can influence sentencing decisions. 3. Limited resources. Insufficient facilities and personnel for effective monitoring. Recent developments. 1. The Nigerian government has introduced measures to decongest prisons and promote non-custodial sentencing. 2. Some states, e.g., Lagos, Rivers, have established non-custodial sentencing departments. Keep in mind that house arrest or alternative sentencing is not guaranteed, and often depends on specific circumstances. Looking at more information on Nigerian law or the justice system, taking Bobrisky as a case study. Bobrisky, a Nigerian social media influencer and entrepreneur, has been involved in controversies and legal issues. Here are hypothetical examples based on public perceptions and speculations, illustrating how influential individuals like Bobrisky might bypass prison time. Example 1. Influence and connections. Bobrisky is arrested for alleged fraud. Through high-level connections, lawyers negotiate with authorities. Instead of prison, Bobrisky is placed under house arrest in a luxurious apartment near the prison, with electronic monitoring. Example 2. Health concerns. Bobrisky is convicted of tax evasion. Lawyers argue Bobrisky's health would deteriorate in prison. The court orders house arrest in a nearby apartment, citing health concerns. Example 3. Alternative sentencing. Bobrisky is found guilty of cyberbullying. The judge, considering Bobrisky's community service and charity work, opts for non-custodial sentencing. Bobrisky serves time in an apartment, engaging in community service and counseling. Example 4. Bail and delayed trials. Bobrisky is accused of money laundering. Lawyers secure bail, and the trial is repeatedly delayed. Bobrisky remains free, living in an apartment while awaiting trial. Please note that these examples are hypothetical and based on public perceptions. The Nigerian justice system aims to treat all individuals equally, but influential factors can sometimes impact outcomes. So, after conducting research, I found that Martins Vincent Otzi is indeed associated with the pseudonym Very Darkman, VDM, on social media. Martins Vincent Otzi, aka Very Darkman, is a Nigerian social media influencer and blogger known for 1. Exposing secrets and scandals. 2. Criticizing celebrities and politicians. 3. Sharing controversial opinions. 4. Engaging in online feuds. Using anonymity. Initially, Martins Vincent Otzi revealed his identity over time. His Instagram account has gained significant attention and followers. Please note that VDM's content and methods have sparked controversy and debate. Some view him as a whistleblower, while others criticize his approach. Would you like more information on Nigerian social media influencers or trends? Yes, Martins Vincent Otzi, aka Very Darkman, VDM, has been reportedly arrested and detained multiple times in Nigeria, primarily due to his controversial social media posts and alleged defamation. Some notable instances include 1. 2022, VDM was arrested by the Economic and Financial Crimes Commission, EFCC, over alleged cyberbullying and defamation. 2. 2023, he was reportedly detained by the Nigeria police force for alleged false information and harassment. VDM's arrests and detentions have sparked public debate on freedom of speech, social media regulation, and the role of influencers in Nigerian society. For up-to-date information on VDM's legal situations or social media activities, follow reputable Nigerian news outlets or social media platforms.